In this video, we are going to show you how to set your Twitter account to private. Now, if for some reason you want to set your Twitter account to private, it's not that hard. It's actually pretty easy. All you need to do is go to your Twitter account here, whether I'm using the desktop right now or laptop. You can do this on your mobile device too. But for this example, we're going to go with the PC version, right? So all you need to do is tap on more. This pop-up will appear. Now, what you want to do is tap on settings and privacy. Once you are here on the settings and privacy options, under settings, you want to click on privacy and safety. It is the the sixth option. So click on this. Under privacy and safety, you want to tap or click on audience, media, and tagging, the first option under your X activity, right? Click on this. So there are two options here: protect your posts and protect your videos. So for protect your posts, when selected, your posts and other account information are only visible to people who follow you. Protect your videos, same thing. If selected videos in your post will not be downloadable by default, the setting applies to posts going forward and is not retroactive. So all you need to do is click on these two. So click protect. There you go. So once that's done, your pretty much everything about your Twitter account or X account will be privated. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.